The Diamer Basha Dam is the world's biggest roller compacted concrete dam, located in the north region of Pakistan. It is massive and the first of its kind in the country as well. The dam body will be built with 17 million cubic meters of roller compacted concrete, together with a further 2 million cubic meters of conventional concrete and shotcrete for slope stabilization, construction of underground powerhouses, and accessory tunnels. The dam, owned by WAPTA, will provide clean energy through an installed capacity of 4,500 megawatts and store 8.1 million acre-feet of water for irrigation. The construction activities are going on around the clock and accelerated with the passage of time. Let's witness the ongoing construction activities continued around the clock. The project completion is scheduled for 2029. On completion, the dam will have a gross water storage capacity of 8.1 million acre-feet to irrigate 1.23 million acres of additional land. It will also provide 18 billion units of green and clean hydroelectricity to the national grid per annum. Let's hope its timely completion and a positive contribution to the country's economy. Allah be praised. Thanks viewers for watching. Thumbs up if you like. Write us your valuable suggestion in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative and exciting videos about energy projects. Share the video link if you feel value.